Hey friends, we are going to review part total. Ignore my fantastic drawing. I cannot find my Bluetooth for the mouse, so we're just going to do the best we can, and it's going to be not so pretty, I guarantee it. So, we do part total. Think of it like a fact triangle. Remember, we've talked about this before? So if I draw, oh golly, sorry about this, guys. If I draw my fact triangle, the top number is going to be the largest number we're going to use in this. The other two sections are the two numbers that we add together to get to the top number. Remember, you could also see just the total in one corner. If you see just the total in one corner, what should you do? You should subtract. So, I'll push out some lessons coming up this week that might be looking a little smidgen different. So this is my phenomenal drawing of a domino. Oh gosh, sorry guys. This is going to be something new for me as well. We'll pretend these are awesome looking dots. So we're going to have 5 on this side and 0 on the other side. And then in my next domino, I'm going to have 3 dots. And then you think to yourself, this plus this equals question mark. So 5 plus, this is funny for me, 3, gosh, equals something, right? We have to figure out what that is. This is kind of an easy one. I'm thinking this is now hilarious, by the way. So 5 plus 3 more equals 8. So if I put an 8 up here, easy breezy. If I didn't put an 8 up there and you had to figure the other way, you would say 8 take away 3 equals that question mark. And then you would have to subtract because the biggest number is at the top and then we are missing one of the parts. When you subtract, please do not think this. Because if you did that, I would say, if you have $3, can you give me 8? And the answer is no. So you must do the other way around. The biggest number when you're subtracting always goes first. For this problem, I decided to not write the whole word out because my handwriting is so horrible. But we're going to think about part total once again. So if I said Jacoby has a total of let's go with 14 cars. He has 6 more than Remy. How many does Remy have? You should think to yourself, 6 plus what equals 14? Or you can say 14 minus 6 equals something. You should figure out what that information is, and then that is, whoa, that's interesting, is what you're going to come up with. So let's say like we're struggling and we need to figure it out. You can use your fingers. You can put 14 in your head and back up 6. Or you can put 6 in your head and count up till you get to 14. So I'm going to put 14 in my head. 14, I'm going to back up 6. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. You should be putting 8 into this spot. Here's another problem. Johnita has 10 babies. Lulu has 6 babies. How many babies do they have in all? Johnita, I already forgot how many she had. That's pretty funny. I'm going to say Johnita had 10 babies. Probably should have written that in first. And the other kiddo has 8 babies. If you think fact triangle, start writing, would you? The largest number goes at the top. So you're going to think to yourself, what is 10 plus 8? And the answer is 18. That is your review lesson for today. If you have any questions, please ask. After you finish listening to this video, please go over to Seesaw. I have put in this activity for you to do. It should be a lickety-split because we have done this before. If you have any questions, please send me an email. When you are done with this activity, hop onto IXL for 20 minutes. Have a great afternoon or morning whenever you get to this, and I will talk with you soon.